Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video, I just finished a protein treatment. I washed and conditioned with all of my Redken products, the acidic bonding concentrate line, of course. And today I will be reviewing and demoing the acidic bonding concentrate 24/7 night and day serum. I'm very excited for this. This is kind of like Amika's new product, the Midnight Mender, that I am considering buying. We're gonna see how this works first. This is kind of like their overnight little treatment. It's a leave-in treatment for strength repair, hydration, shine, and protection. So I'm very excited about this. This is a 7% bonding care complex. I got this little sample, so hopefully this is going to be enough to go throughout my entire head. If not, I do have a second sample, so I'm definitely going to be using enough. But they said this repairs and strengthens and protects from daily aggressors such as humidity and styling that causes breakage and split ends. For night and day use on clean, damp, or dry hair, do not rinse out. For night use, apply generously to mid-ends to lands for overnight bond repair and hydration. For day use, apply as needed for instant frizz reduction, conditioning, and shine. In case of contact with eyes, rinse them. Okay, blah, blah. So I think they're calling it day and night because you know that some people who have straighter hair, they shampoo their hair at night and they're probably putting this in and going to bed. I know some people go to bed with wet hair, but us as the curly community, we don't really do that. So I'm just going to be using it as a step in my normal wash day. So I'm going to be using this today as my only leave-in conditioner. I'm not going to be using any Miracle Milk, any Amika the Wizard. We're just going to use this and we're going to see what type of shine I get. I am going to blow dry my hair because I want to do some twists. As you can see, my curls are starting to look better because my hair was going through something. But it's definitely starting to look better. I did a protein treatment today, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. It is in this like little squeeze tube, but the hole is so small, y'all. Like you can't even see it. So that's gonna be kind of hard to get out. Someone said that it was kind of liquidy. Oh yeah, that does look liquidy. So I'm a little bit scared. I really do not think I'll put this on dry hair. I didn't even detangle it yet. You're just gonna watch me go through, apply the products, and then we are going to blow dry and style. But I'm gonna come back on here after I blow dry so you guys can see if it's looking shiny, and I'm gonna tell you guys how it's feeling. From the directions, they didn't say you couldn't go in and use heat with this product. We're gonna go ahead and basically follow my regular wash day routine when I am blow drying. And of course, while using this product, they do recommend that you use their shampoo and conditioner too. And I did. I don't want to use too much per section. This is how it's looking. Very liquidy. It smells like the rest of the Redken line, like a faint perfumey smell, but I do like it. It's real liquidy, and that's probably the only reason I wouldn't use it on dry hair. It's not like a serum liquidy, like an oil-based liquid. It's like kind of like on the watery side, but it does have great slip. Like I feel it, and I'm able to just like finger detangle my hair like that, so that's good. I'm probably gonna sit underneath the dryer for a while before I start blow drying, just to let it sit in really good. But so far so good. Feels and smells good in my hair, and I'm able to detangle really easily. So I'm gonna just go through my entire head, put the products in, and then I'm probably gonna do like some 2-strand twists and go sit underneath the dryer for a while, and then I'm gonna come back and blow dry. Okay, alright y'all, so I'm finally back with my completed review of this Redken 24/7 night and day serum. It is a mouthful, but let me just say I love this product. I have been using it on my hair, my client's hair, my mom's hair, and I love it. Now, of course, a lot of its claims can only be seen over an extended use, like the claims of less breakage, stronger hair, just protected from damage and repairing and stuff like that. Of course, I would have to see like over time, long period usage, but when it comes to the Redken acidic bonding concentrate line as a whole, I already know that Redken is definitely going to get the job done too when it comes to this product, because it's just so amazing. Now, what I will say is that this is a leave-in that you can just use this. So I have seen hydration with this, I've seen shine with this, so I have been really enjoying it in my hair. As you guys possibly have seen, my hair is kind of going through something. It was like not curling how I needed to curl at one point, and using this product along with the shampoo and the conditioner and my 5-minute liquid mask by Redken, it's looking good. And from the clip you saw how shiny it was. It gave an amazing silk press after that time. I didn't get to show you guys the footage, but I remember it being amazing. So like even when I did this to my hair, I put some of that in it and it just works so well. I would call it a lightweight leave-in, because call it a serum is very, very wet. I don't want you to think that it's like a oil based serum, because it's really not. And it's mainly for color treated hair, damaged hair, and relaxed hair. So if you have dealt with some type of chemical damage or mechanical damage, this product is for you. Okay, if you don't have damaged hair, I wouldn't say you need this product, because it does have certain properties and the components in it are supposed to be helping and repairing hair. So if your hair is already healthy, then you probably don't need this product. But if your hair is going through something, if you're someone who's relaxed, color treated, any mechanical damage, go ahead and give this a try, because I really like it. To me, it just adds to their amazing universe of other products. You guys know my biggest gripe with a brand like Olaplex is that they came out with 50 million steps at one time, and I didn't feel that all of them were necessary, beneficial, or even useful or truthful about what the product does for the hair. But as Redken rolls out these products in this line, honey, they have not missed yet. I love each step, and this is just a nice little leave-in to add to my color treated clients, my damaged clients, my relaxed clients, and it's a one-stop shop. I always look for hydration, one, for my leave-ins, and I look for shine, a little bit of heat protectant, and I got all of that in one with this. It says it helps to maintain color treated hair and protect from damage caused by heat styling, environmental stressors, and daily wear and tear. So like I said, mechanical damage, heat damage, chemical damage, things like that, that's what this product is going to help with. If you want to use it on dry hair, I would probably say do it when you're doing like a natural style, not really a silk press or something like that, because it probably will wet and reverse your hair. But I do like putting it on from wet. That's basically how I've used it so far, and I've been in love with it. Okay, I don't have any issues with it. I love the smell. A little of the product goes a long way. I love the consistency. It is able to stretch because it is on the more liquidy side, so that's basically a plus for me. I just love it. Okay, I love it. I have no notes. Redken did it again with this product, so if you think you need it, go ahead and give it a try. You can purchase the little travel size like what I had. I do plan to get a bigger size of this, and honestly I don't even know if I really focus on using this on clients. I'm probably just going to focus on using this on myself. Okay, I really do like it for my hair. And when it comes to a line like Redken and the acidic bonding concentrate line and the styling products, the clients really have to come in often enough to see a result. But when it comes to my hair, my mom's hair, I'm washing my hair once a week, so I can definitely see the results and get the full benefit and the full scope of what a product does. And so far I've really been liking this product. I've been seeing my hair kind of bounce back, looking better, curling better, the curls are enhancing better, and I know that's because of the entire Redken line, and this product just adds to that. So go ahead, give it a try. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but if your hair needs it, I say go ahead and invest in your hair. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the product, leave them down below, and if you have any experiences about this product similar to mine or different than mine, let me know. If you didn't like it, tell me what you did not like about it. I remember someone telling me that the liquidiness really surprised them. It was a shock to me too. I was glad they told me and warned me ahead of time, but I do like it and prefer it for a nice little leave-in. And yeah, especially when it's like a protein day and I'm trying to repair my hair. Love it. Did not dry my hair out. Super shiny, super hydrated. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will be seeing you guys in my next one.